Dear classmate, naranasan mo na bang kiligin? Mabigo? Manalo? O matalo sa pag-ibig? Kasi ako oo. Naranasan ko siya all of the above. So hi classmates! Ako nga pala yung inyong host na si Classmate Jam. So I'm together with our classmate. Pakilala ka.
Hi guys, I'm Polly, film student, batch 121 of Binild.
Oh, so paano tayo nagkakilala, Polly?
Pandemic eh. Sa Discord.
Ay, oo.
Sa 121. Sa Pod Alam 1.
Totoo.
We were just hanging out.
Sumasali-sali kami sa mga Discord call kasi wala kaming magawa eh.
Mga lonely.
Mga lonely.
Usap.
Totoo. So kami na lang yung nag-uusap-usap.
Oo.
Yung kahit Zoom meetings, kahit may classes sa Zoom, parang nagdi-Discord pa rin tayo nun, no? Para lang
Nasa
mag-usap.
Discord tayo kahit may classes.
Kasi nung nag-college kami, guys, pandemic. So,
Yung
dun,
nag-start.
nag-start ng pandemic. So, online lang lahat. So, doon tayo nagkakilala.
Tapos magkaklase rin tayo sa first ever face-to-face class natin.
Ala, nakalimutan ko na. Ala, nung subject?
Film odd.
Yun yung first face-to-face natin.
Oo.
Totoo ba? Film on?
Yeah.
Wala, ang
I
tagal
remember
na.
that specifically.
Ay, oo. Tapos tawang-tawa ako sa kanya kasi sobrang daldal niya talaga in real life, guys. Kahit sa Discord. Pero mas madaldal siya in real life. May naalala ko, may hindi kami ka-close nun. Hindi siya FOD LM1 eh. Hindi namin siya,
Hindi ko
ka-section.
siya kilala.
Hindi niya kilala. Tapos, iba pa yung pronunciation niya ng Bacoor. Tanda mo yun?
Nadaga ba ko kasi yung friend na yun? Friend na natin ngayon.
Oo.
Pero noon, hindi namin kakilala. Tapos tinanong ko, taga saan ka? Tapos sabi niya, Bacoor. Sabi ko, Bacoor?
Kasi konyo si Polly, guys.
No, kanya ako noon.
Pero
I
ngayon-
have learned.
Marunong na siya ng straight Tagalog, kaya nagugulat kami.
Tama.
Wow, nakaka-proud. Ay, ang laki ng growth mo.
3 years na lang mag-Tagalog. Congrats to me.
Straight Tagalog, marunong na siya ng straight Tagalog. So, ayun. First question ko. First question. So, sino yung first crush? O kaya happy crush lang? Kahit hindi first, sige. Sino yung mga naging crush mo nung college o ngayong college?
I think yung first crush ko, hindi hindi siya happy crush. Kasi, nagustuhan ko siya. Tapos parang, okay, hindi ko siya nakikita ulit. And then, nakita ko siya ulit. And then, like, 1 year ko siya nagustuhan.
So, tingin-tingin lang, silip-silip.
Tingin-tingin lang. Tapos, hindi ko sinasabi sa mga tao. Tapos yung naging close ko siya. Until nagka-jowa siya. And I was like, joke lang.
Oo, tama yan. Nag-back out
Wag na po.
agad.
Yeah. Pero other than that, mga happy crushes lang naman eh.
Oh, okay.
Except maybe yung isa.
Baby. Wow, bakit may baby? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya may baby? Okay.
Ikaw ba, Jam?
Ako, nagka-happy crush ako. Woo! Walaan niyo kung sino. Abangan. Charis. Pero yung happy crush ko, ano pa siya? First year, tapos pandemic. Sa'yo ba, pandemic ba nangyari?
Hindi eh. After pandemic, it was the first face-to-face class.
First?
First face-to-face class ko. Wala, he was cute.
So-
Type ko. So, I was like, yeah, okay.
Crush at first sight.
Hindi naman. I think pumasok ko lang twice bago ko siya napansin.
Uy, anong subject yan? Charot. Nag-drop yung subject. So anyway, ayun na nga. Yung first crush ko, pandemic siya. Tapos kaya ako siya nagustuhan. Kasi ang angas-angas niya, ganun. Like, nai-intimidate ako. Gusto ko kasi nai-intimidate ako, guys. Parang ayun. Magaling siya.
Ako kasi kilala ko to.
Kilala mo, pero wag na natin mag-usapan kasi may bleep yan. Bleep, bleep. Beep. Kung nag-name drop ako ngayon. Pero hindi ko ina-name drop.
Tama. Walang name drop.
Kasi masama yun. So anyway, kaya ako siya nagustuhan kasi, alam mo ba, hindi ako pinapansin noon nung pandemic. Tinatry ko siya landiin, guys. Pero, totoo ba? Tinatry ko siya landiin, pero wala, hindi siya effective kasi akala ko snubber siya. Tapos ngayong nakilala ko siya, naging tropa ko siya, guys. Naging tropa ko siya. Tapos, ayoko na yung ugali niya. Kasi, okay, mabait siya, pero hindi ko na type yung ugali.
Yeah. Hindi rin kayo bagay. Knowing this person now, hindi talaga kayo bagay.
Parang, ang sakit nun pakinggan pag first year college ako.
Alam ko, I remember you saying na parang patis at
Suka.
Suka at patis kayo. It's, no.
Parang nandidiri siya kayo.
Oh, hindi talaga.
Tapos ito, yung isa kong pang crush. Akala ko first crush lang. Last crush ko na sa Binyon. Ano naman siya, hindi ko ka-close. Pero inaasar-asar lang nila ako. Sinasabi nila na bagay kami. Di ba?
Oo.
Kasi maingay siya, yung crush ko na huli. Yung una ko kasing crush, nonchalant.
Yung last crush niya, bagay sila. Sobra. Sayang.
Sayang.
Would have done anything for that too.
Okay lang, hindi siya sayang. Wow,
Sasako ko siya.
sasako mo siya. So, okay. Next topic tayo. Next
Move on
topic.
na ba kagad?
Oo, move on na agad. Ganun kabilis, guys.
Happy crush lang kasi.
Oo, happy crush lang.
Yeah, bilis na mag-move on.
Totoo. Pag hindi yung happy crush,
1 year. Happy crush. She's loyal, guys.
pag nakikita lang, naging...
Oy, hindi
Ay, may interaction naman pala kayo.
We were friends.
Hanggang ngayon.
Pero... Oo. Sige, Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Ibang friend group lang. Pero...
Oo. Pero nag-uusap pa din. Okay. So, ito, next question. Have you ever fallen in love with your best friend ngayong college?
Hello?
Hala guys, relate siya.
Hello? Ikaw ba? Ikaw muna.
Ngayong college, hindi. Pero nung high school, oo.
Okay. So, was it like puppy love? Ako yung nag-interview.
Ano question? Okay lang yan. Ano yung question mo?
Was it like puppy love?
Feel ko hindi puppy love.
Ay.
Feel ko seryoso na. Kasi senior high school eh. Senior high school.
Okay.
Oo. It was the I'm so stupid. Kasi for making the biggest mistake of falling in love with my best friend. Oh, Jolina! Ikaw, naranasan mo yun? Like, biggest mistake mo yung crush mo na naging best friend mo ngayon?
Ako hindi naman. I think, at least for this guy, I do have to admit it is the best decision I've ever made. Hindi kasi, wala lang. He made me happy. Hindi, kasi, besides the fact na crush ko siya, or nagustuhan ko siya, kasi I never really realized na crush ko siya.
Oh.
Until, na-realize ko na gusto ko na talaga siya. And I was like, oh, maybe I do have feelings for this guy.
Paano mo nalaman na siya na talaga?
Hala, ito
Hala.
na. Kasi?
Umiyak
eh.
Huwag kayo.
Nasa shoot kasi kami noon, and then sobrang like pagod na siya, tapos he was sick too. And then like lahat kami nagkakasakit, pero siya yung obvious na talagang pagod na pagod, and then he was acting pa. So sobrang draining talaga. And then I was checking everyone kasi someone from the crew started getting a fever. I was checking everyone's temperature. And chinek ko yung temperature niya. Like, we were just friends. Yung tingin niya, parang I can see na even if he did have a fever, even if like we asked him to like maybe let's stop with you, I feel like he would have pushed further. Kasi you can see like the passion in his eyes. And like, sobrang hindi ko talaga siya type, or like never, like I don't think I was ever attracted to him in that regard. Pero that moment I was like, oh.
Sa hindi mo tayo.
Like that's something else.
Oo.
Okay. And then yun. And then like I was beating myself up over it. And then I realized na gusto ko talaga siya.
Nag-slow mo ba yung paningin mo?
Hindi nga eh. I don't think nagsuslow mo yung moments namin. But I do feel like kapag like nag-uusap kami, parang the world around us disappears.
Ang cute naman.
Real yan kasi yung like when we would hang out with our friends, tapos kaming dalawa yung nag-uusap. Paminsan tinatawag kami ng mga friends namin, tapos hindi namin napapansin.
Oh, kasi busy kayo in your own world. Parang
Busy
ganun.
kami nagsasalita.
Nagsasalita. May sarili kayo mundo.
May sarili kami mundo. Yeah, I didn't see him gripping on my microphone. Pero yeah. Ikaw ba, have you ever felt that way with a person?
Alin?
Yung yung parang
Naging...
kapag magkasama kayo, the rest of the world doesn't matter.
Ako, oo. Pero ngayong college, oo.
Oo.
Yung kausap ko ngayon, ganun yung pinapa-feel niya. Hala!
It's the first time ever hearing of this. This is so cute.
This is so cute. Genuine. Pero yun, masaya ka ba ngayon?
What a question.
I mean, oo, kung masaya ka ba ngayon? Sa love life mo,
I think,
ready ka ba to be in a relationship? Or...
okay, I think masaya ako. But I
Okay.
don't think I'm ready for a relationship.
Okay.
I am very much emotionally unavailable.
Okay. That's valid.
I'm so sorry.
Ba't ka nagsasorry? Okay lang.
Pero masaya ako kasi I have my friends and I have him. I have him. Pero actually, to be fair, I wouldn't even it's not for sure na talagang best friend ko siya. Pero nakausap ko kasi yung friends namin. And granted, iba talaga yung trato namin sa isa't isa. So yeah, I just have to accept the fact that I am
Special.
in the middle. I am not a girl space friend, but I'm also not a girlfriend. I'm just
Nasa gitna ka. Nasa
I'm just a girl.
Uy, okay lang yan. Okay. So, it's time na to... Magbabasa tayo ng Reddit na thread.
Okay.
Ready ka na ba?
Sige.
So, eto. Basahin ko yung question, ikaw magbasa ng comment.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So, ang question is, anong kwentong one-sided or unrequited love nyo? Paano kayo nakamove on? Gaano katagal at gaano kasakit? Naranasan mo ba yun? Yung masaktan sa one-sided, unrequited love.
Oh.
So,
Yeah.
Paano ka
Ikaw
nakamove
ba?
on? Ako,
Oh. I feel like that's normal.
oo, that's normal naman. Kasi matanda na tayo.
Everyone goes through it.
True. So, eto. Basahin mo yung first,
You first?
first comment.
Okay. What helps is I avoid questioning myself with the what ifs. It's hard to move on when you hold on to the good memories and ask yourself what you could have done differently. There's a reason why it didn't work out. Ground yourself to reality and remember all the reasons why it didn't work out. Balance out the good memories with the bad ones. This will help you move on. Also stay busy. And never question yourself. Lalo na if you tried naman. Love is a risk. Love is a choice. Kakayanin. Truly.
So, anong reaction mo doon? Ako, I agree naman.
Oo. Totoo naman.
Keep yourself busy lang kahit mahirap.
Ako, to be able to move on from that kind of love, I think it's easier to think of it na parang nagbigay ka ng pagmamahal sa isang tao.
Totoo. Hindi ka naman nagkulang. Nabigay mo naman lahat. So, no regrets,
Yeah.
diba?
And parang, if you really did love this person, if this person really did deserve it, nagmahal ka ng tao na kinilangan ng pagmamahal.
Tama.
Yeah.
Grabe, guys. Ang galing-galing niyo. Galing-galing niyo. So, okay. So, ayun lang. May mabibigay ka ba na payo sa ating mga classmates? Na, like, quote, ganun. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila? May mapapayo ka ba? Ganun.
Okay. I think I wrote this down sa isang, like, an assignment.
Wow.
Sa school.
So, sipag.
Yeah. Pero, I think it's better for us to realize na true love, if you really do want true love, it comes to real people. And to be a real person, you aren't perfect, right? You can't be perfect. So you just have to be who you are. And you have to accept that you will make mistakes and you will have insecurities. And that's okay. And someone will love you just the way that you are.
Just
Bruno Mars.
Kinantahan. So, ayun.
Ikaw?
Ako. So, yung mapapayo ko lang sa mga college dyan na puro situationship. Wah! Tamang-tama, no? Huwag kayong magiging attached sa taong hindi pa sure sa'yo. Kasi ikaw lang yung masasaktan in the end.
Coming from ano ba yan? Experience?
Coming from experience.
Oh my God.
Grabe. So, ayun lang guys for today's episode. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka?
Oh naman. Ikaw, nag-enjoy ka?
Oh, syempre. Ba't may pagbabanta? Syempre nag-enjoy ako. So, thank you guys for watching our episode. Dear classmate, anong kwentong college love mo? So, follow us in our social media at dearclassmate_. So, ayun lang. Thank you and goodbye, classmates.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.